Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for visiting today. My name's Kate and today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the Papercraft Society box 4. This box is by Paper Discovery and it was delivered this afternoon. So let's get into showing you what's inside. So the first thing we see when we look at the box is this really whimsical design. On the top of the box you have the dandelion clocks that I'm sure everyone remembers blowing as a child and watching all the seeds fly away, and then you have this framed part here which frames the Papercraft Society script, and it's really whimsical. You have a dragonfly up here and this is in beautiful foiling, as you can see, and this design carries on all the way around the box, as you can see. So when we open up the box, we have our wallet full of goodies, which I'll put to one side. We have our tissue paper pack of extra goodies, and we have our Explore Even More voucher, which can be used at Craftstash to get money off the Paper Discovery range at Craftstash. And then on the inside of the box we have a little note which says, "Enjoy discovering the delights of the beautiful collection I've put together for you," and that is from Olga. Okay, let's move this box out the way. Right, we'll bring back in our wallet of goodies. So again, the theme from the top of the box continues into the wallet. It's a really pretty blue colour. So the first thing we have is, "Don't forget, diorama dies are perfect for lanterns." And in this part we have some beautiful stamps. These are really whimsical. We have lots of fairies, we have the toadstools, we have a lovely gorgeous tree, we have the dragonfly, a fairy tale bridge, grass, we have more of the dandelions being blown. And then the sentiments, we have good luck, get well soon, happy new home, new beginnings, hope you find strength with each new day, deepest sympathy, wishing you well, the only impossible journey is the one you never begin, and bon voyage. So we've got some really beautiful stamps there. Then we have, "Or add to the decoration to a simple box." Let's have a look. What's this? Oh, this is really beautiful. It's an embossing folder, I think. I can get it open. Yeah. It's a lovely embossing folder, but look at that. Isn't that? I've not seen one like this before. It's really unusual. That's really beautiful. Look forward to using that. And then this looks like papers. Let's see what we have here. Oh, what's that? So that's like printed vellum. And then we have some plain vellum here. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that just gorgeous? Wow. That's going to make a really gorgeous card. Wow. Right, what else have we got? Oh, we have a sheet of acetate there. We have 2 sheets of acetate there. Right, then we have papers. We have the daisies. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I like that a lot. That's just stunning. Okay, that's it. But I think that's more than enough to be getting on with. I'm loving this. I love that. I mean, wow. That's just gorgeous printed vellum. Right, so that was in with the embossing folder. And I never open these boxes until I'm filming, because I think then you get a really honest reaction to the boxes. And I don't watch any reveal videos that Craftstash do. I much prefer to get the surprise when the box arrives. Okay, so the last bit of the wallet says, simply wrap around a jar, place a tea light inside and enjoy. And now we have these dies, and again they correspond with the stamps. We've got the beautiful bridge, we have that whimsical frame from the front of the box that looks like a river. We've got a lovely picket fence, we've got some nice leaves, the wishing well, we have the dandelion again. What's that one? Oh, I see, that's like the seeds. We have moons, we have the bugs. Isn't that lovely? I mean, I think I'm going to be using these a lot. You know, there's 3 new baby girls in the family, as well as friends' children, so that's really useful to have. I like that a lot. Now let's see what came in the tissue paper this month. Oh, we have sequins this month. So the last few months we've had like petals, and this month we have pretty pink sequins. So the first thing we have the Papercraft Society book. We always get one of these with them, but they're full of inspiration that people have made. It's normally people who work for Practical Publishing and the design team that works with them. So it's full of ideas. There's also an interview with Olga, who is the creator of Paper Discovery. And then in the back there's like some projects and stuff. Products, sorry. So we have that. We have 2 new inks to go with the stash we're building. This looks like a blue and a silver. We have ribbon. Very fine. Look at that, isn't that lovely? Sequins. I wonder if they're going to be the same as what we have in the pack. See if we can get this off the back. If they're the same, I think I'll just scrape them off of the tissue and pop them in here. Yeah, they look the same to me. And we also have our coordinating card. Oh, and this is and acetate, but I had acetate in the plastic wallet. So see if we can get into this and we'll see. So I have got 2, 3. I have 3 pieces of dark blue card. I have 3 pieces of like the grey card, and I have 3 pieces of the yellow card. So I'm guessing the acetate's been put in the wallet by accident, but that's no big deal really, is it really? And then we have Welcome Magic into Your Life and Don't Let It Go. We have a guide to paper sizes. So in box 1, we got a guide to paper sizes with the Christina box. So let's just compare the 2 cards. So this is from box 1, this is this box. They're exactly the same. So they've replicated something we got in the first box in this box, which is a little bit disappointing if I'm absolutely honest, because now I've got it twice. It would have been better to have something different maybe. Oh well, it is what it is. So I'm going to put these together. I am intending on punching a hole through these at some point and then putting them on a keychain, but for now this works just as well. And that looks to be everything. So that's it for box 4. I hope you've enjoyed the video. All that remains is for me to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a very fabulous and crafty New Year. I'll be back in January with another Papercraft Society unboxing, and stay tuned to the channel for a few more videos that will be coming between now and New Year. If you've enjoyed the video, please do subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up, and if you do subscribe, please do hit the bell so you get notifications every time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.